log out Instagram from other devices without changing password. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you go to your Instagram app and then go to your profile, and then when you go to come to your profile, here you can see these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on this and then you have to click on the settings, and here you can see the security. Under the privacy, click on the security, and here you can see the login activity. So please make sure that you click on the login activity, and then here you can see all my login activity, and here you can see all my login activity. If I want to remove this login activity, so I click on the logout and uh, click on the OK, and then this activity, this account, in this device my account is logout. So if you want to also log out this account which is below my active account, so active device, so click on these three dots and then click on the logout, and then you have to click OK, and then this account you logged out from also from this account without changing password. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that this works or not. If this not work, let me know in the comments. I will help you. Have a good day.